Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Bit Brother Limited, and this is the weekly chart what you can see on your screen. So you have primary levels that the stock has already gone through. So as you can clearly see that the stock went down to as low as 80 cents. Now it is again moved up, and not only that, it is currently trading above its previous support. So 1.51 is the level which was your previous support. Now the stock is trading above 1.51. So what you have here are two most important level. You have 1.51 and you have 1.36. So these are the two most important level that you are going to look at as far as the trend is concerned. Now because the stock is sustaining above these two most important level, slowly but steadily we will discover all the higher ranges which we have here as far as the target is concerned. So primarily the range we have here is in between 2.61 and 2.77. So these are your two primary ranges that we are going to look at as far as the trend is concerned. Beyond that, a big range will probably open up for you. So beyond 2.77, what we have here is your next range, which will be in between 5.31 and 6.86. So this is going to be your next range, or as far as the next target or trend is concerned. Now after 2.86 we have 9.57, right? So 1, 2, and then we have 3. Now if the stock started moving beyond 9.57, it will be now beyond 9.57 or $10. If the stock started moving, you will see some further acceleration as far as the movement is concerned. So beyond 9.57 you have 11.3, and then we have 15.05, and beyond that you can see some very sharp movements. So beyond 15 you have 22.97, and you have 28 and $32, right? So there are some very big moves which are yet to be seen. That is the first thing. After that you have different segments over here. So the first segment is in between. So this is the first segment from the current range to as high as 9.57. Then we have the second segment which will be in between or which will start beyond 9.57 or 10, and it can go up to 22 and 23, or beyond that we have the third one, which is this one, right? So these are the ranges that you need to look at and probably treat it in the same manner. Do not simply think that the next target will be that level, and that it's good to focus on the long term trend, but you need to see your intermediate or short term hurdles, and apart from that you need to trail your stop losses accordingly. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.